Hello children, what we are going to learn in this video is bisection of a given angle. Again, remember the word bisection means cutting into two equal halves, okay? And this time we are going to cut an angle into two equal halves. So let's draw the angle first. The measurement of the angle should be as per the question given. Let's see how many degrees angle shall we take. I will draw an angle of maybe, remember to keep your compass properly, your protractor properly, 0 aligned, okay. And now maybe an 80-degree angle. Chalo, let's take an 80-degree angle. So here we have an 80-degree angle. Okay, this is my 80-degree angle. Now, how do we bisect it? That means I have to cut this angle into two equal halves such that each angle so formed is 40 degrees each. So first thing, adjust your compass to a little more than half again, or any random measurement basically. Keep the pointed edge on the vertex, okay. Press it a little so that it will not slip, and draw an arc cutting the two arms of the compass, of the angle, okay. Here, cutting the two arms of the angle. I see 2 points of intersection. Now what I do is, I keep my compass on the first point of intersection, take a distance. This is definitely more than half. Now half of what? Half of this arc. This is almost equal of the arc. This will be more than half. Remember, whenever we do bisection, we have to remember this term of more than half, whether it's bisection of a line or bisection of an angle. Draw an arc over here, only one arc, okay. Lift your compass with the same measurement, without changing the measurement. Keep it on the second intersection point over here and draw an arc cutting the previous arc, okay. Here we see we get a point of intersection again. Now remember children, when you draw arcs, your arcs, even if I'm moving it a couple of times, it is overwriting the previous arc only. I'm not having a series of arcs over here. So that is exactly how you should also draw an arc. It will come with practice. Straight only, not straight, an arc is always curved. So an arc, exactly, it should not have shadows basically. Now this is my point of intersection over here. I use my ruler, align it with the vertex of the angle, and this is how I draw my angle bisector. If you notice, this angle should be exactly 40 degrees if we are doing it approximate accurate construction. See here, it's exactly 40 degrees, okay. So this is how your construction should be. If this is 40, obviously the other one will also be 40. Let's label the angle again as per the question given. Since I'm not following any question over here, I can do it of my choice. And maybe over here, I can give this as 40 degrees. On this one, again as 40 degrees. Okay. All the best. Hope you've understood.